Alright, good day students. As you can see, you are given a problem in circle geometry. In the figure, for the triangle QPRT. QPRT is a kite, uniform kite, such that angle PQR. This angle here is 35 degrees. Find the value of angle QXR and angle QTR. Hence, if QP is CCM, find the area of the circle. Take pi to be equals to 3.142 and leave your result to 2 decimal places. So, if you understand the question, we can solve it. And because this is a kite, like we have told, a kite adjacent sides are equal, which means this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. That is, QP is equals to RP, and again QT is equals to RT if it's a kite. So, I was told that this side is CCM. Is it not CCM? And this angle here is 35 degrees. So we can clean some of the board so we can be able to solve it. Take pi to be 3.142. So let's solve this problem. The first thing you have to know is, like I have stated, what a kite is all about. Things you have to know. Then the next thing is, because these are opposite or adjacent side of the kite are equal, are arranged so that the adjacent side are equal. Draw a line here to join at T, and then consider this chord is a chord, and then this angle here, you see this angle PQR is equals to angle PTR. The reason is that angles in the same segment are equal. Angles in the same segment are equal by circle theorem. So since they are equal, this angle here is 35. And because PT, line PT, is an angular bisector, of angle QTR. This implies that angle QTR, this implies that angle QTR is equals to 2 angle PQR, which is also 2 angle PTR. This is an angular bisector. Because this side is equals to this side. This is because this length is equals to this length, and here is equals to here. If you draw a line to this, it will bisect these angles into 4 parts. So this is a perpendicular line. That means that angle QTR is equals to 2 times 35, and that gives us 70 degrees. So this angle here is also 35. And for that reason, you have answered one of the questions, because you are told to find the value of angle QTR. So the second question, angle QTR is equals to 70 degrees. So the next is to find the first question. The first question is find angle QSR. Angle SR. So that is what we are to find now. So I can clean here. How do we find angle QSR? QSR, this angle here. So from quad, from quadrilateral QSRT, QSRT. We already know this angle, so we can find this angle. That means 70 degree plus angle QSR, they sum up to 180 degree. The reason is that opposite angles of a cyclic chord are what? Are supplementary. Supplementary means they sum up to 180 degree. So since they are supplementary, we can find angle QSR to be equals to 180 degree minus 70. And angle QSR is equals to 110 degree. So you have gotten angle QSR to be equals to 110 degree. So the next is, another question is to find the area of the circle. Find the area of the circle. Area of the circle. If what? QP is CCM. So how do we find the area of the circle? Let's proceed to find the area of the circle. For us to find the area of the circle, we must get the radius of the circle. How do we get the radius of the circle? How do we find the radius of the circle? So we have to make a construction here. Let here be O, and then we'll join this. Join here. O is the center of the circle. So we can join here. I'm using dash line to join it. That dash line is this length, so that OR is equals to R, and that is equals to OQ. R is the radius of the circle. You see now, so now we have through with it. Come to this side. See this chord. From chord QR. Notice that this angle here, angle P, is equals to angle X. Angle QPR is equals to angle QSR. Angle in the same segment are equal. Angles in the same segment are equal. So that means this angle here, see it, that angle is equals to 110 degree. The reason we have to find this angle here is to consider this triangle. So we can get this length. Once we get this length and this angle here, we can find the radius. So now we have gotten that angle. We can now find length QR, can't we? So from triangle QPR, know that this side is equal to this side, as we have said before. This side here, QP is equals to RP. They are kite, so which means PR is also CCM. So we can use cosine root to find QR. So by cosine root, your r squared is equals to this side, 6 squared plus 6 squared minus, in bracket, 2 times 6 squared cos angle here 110. So simplifying it, have, there's 2 6 here, there's 2 6 here, square, so you have 72 in bracket 1 minus cos 110, and that is give us your r squared. So find this value. So finding this value, you have 96.625450319. I can call this equation 1. So let's leave it as equation 1. So since we still have to make use of your r squared, don't find the square root. So once we have done that, we can now return to this triangle here. Let's clean here. We find that your r squared is equals to 96.625450319, and say let's call it equation 1. So the next is to consider this triangle here. See how the triangle looks like. I may not draw it very well. Here is Q, here is R, and here is O. This triangle here with dash. Here is R, here is R. We have gotten your R to be this value. Leave it. So notice this angle here, an angle that is here. Angle at center is twice that at the circumference of the circle. So reflex angle QOR is equals to 2 angle QPX. Angle at center is twice that at the circumference of the circle. That is the theorem of circle theorem. And QPS, is it not this angle here? We said it is equals to 110. We say that this angle here, when you come to this chord, is equals to angle that is here. Angle P is equals to angle X. They are in same segment. So that QPR is equals to 2 times 1. Angle QPR is 110 degree. So by the time you multiply, you have 220 degree. This angle here. So how do we get this angle that is here? So to get angle, this implies that angle, not reflex angle QOR, is equals to 360, because sum of angles in the triangle, sum of angles at the point is 360 minus 220. So subtract it. When you do subtract it, you have this angle to be 240 degree. So angle QOR is 240 degree. So once we have gotten that angle of this triangle, we can now find the radius. We have gotten this angle here to be 240 degree. And we know QR to be the square of QR to be this. Now let's go into getting the radius using cosine rule. Use cosine rule to find the radius from the triangle QOR. So in that case, you have QR squared is equals to R squared plus R squared minus 2R squared, cos the angle 240 degree. So this is equals to 2R squared in bracket 1 minus cos 240 degree. And QR squared is equals to this value. All you need is to put this value here. 625450319. So the only thing you have to do is to make r squared the subject of the formula. Make r squared the subject of the formula. So in this case, have r squared is equals to 96.62450319 divided by 2 in bracket 1 minus cos 240 degree. That is r squared. So the area, we are looking for area of the circle. Let's call it A is equals to pi r squared. Is it not? So that is it. All you need is to put pi here. That gives us the area. So since we have nothing r squared to be equals to this value, so let's find the area. So the area is equals to, we are told to take pi. Remember, we are told to take pi to be equals to 3.142. So now we have 3.142 times r squared, 96.62450319 divided by 2 in bracket 1 minus cos 240 degree. So solve it. Calculating here. So what do you have? That is the area of the circle. So the area, which is A, is equals to what do you have? If you do solve it, have A is approximately equals to 85.953 99 90 so 87. So that the area to 2 decimal places, because you are told to leave your answer to 2 decimal places, is 85.95 cm to 2 decimal places, and that is the area of the circle. Square, remember to put square here. So this is the area of the circle. If you enjoy this video, before you go, do me a favor, like and share, others will be aware of this video, free video I'm giving to you. Subscribe to my channel to encourage me to bring more free videos for your views. You can as well go to our website at www.manzananews.com and subscribe to make use of our courses in mathematics and advanced mathematics. We have over 25 courses with over 400 hours at a token price per month. You'll be able to learn all you needed to do well in mathematics and advanced mathematics. So do that. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumb. See you in the next lesson or the next free video. Bye for now.